We're going camping today again, and it's going to be exciting. But right now, me and Tony, we're on a street sesh with our bikes.
Yeah.
And we're going to head back to my house now. Katie's supposed to pick us up, but she's a little late. And we're going to do some little ramp sessions in front of the house till she gets there.
Just cruising back. Hey! Sweet move, bro.
Come at me. I fixed my sickle. It's been about 3 weeks, maybe a little bit more. It was broke down, back wheel bent, couldn't ride worth shit. Now it's back and she's running great, and I love it.
Yeah. Beautiful. Knock it. It's pretty rough, but we're here at the ramp.
Let's sesh this ramp.
Yeah. Pretty sweet trick though, bro. Lose. What do you guys think? Should I jump this? Nope. So hopefully this camp trip is really radical, because if it isn't, it's gonna suck. Russell Rick. Sweet, bro.
Yeah.
With the hood on and everything. Are you okay?
You almost did.
Dude, it seemed like you would have messed up your wrist for some reason.
Oh, straight on my knee. Hi, Tony.
Hello.
I haven't got the cold. I just went downstairs for no reason.
See you, Jay. Let's see some.
Let's see something, bruh.
What? Off the ramp.
What?
Off the ramp. You got it. It's on my face, so I'll protect you. Hell yeah.
That's all I got.
Okay, this is, if you guys don't know us already, we are the most delayers, laggers ever.
Like switch, man.
And it just happens all the time. We don't do anything until 2 hours later. And
happens
yeah.
all the time.
We're always late.
I know! Because somebody's never ready.
But yeah, we're gonna try to head out now. So
Hey, how about justice suffrage?
and yeah, I'm gonna say this now. If we're not leaving now, we're gonna, or I'm gonna go back on this and be like, yeah, we're still lagging. Okay, bye.
Well, you have fun now. I will try and make it somehow. Some sort of way. And I will surprise you, hopefully. So have your hopes up.
Okay.
No, I could be there tonight.
How?
I could be there tomorrow.
How?
I'll figure something out. I'm gonna go.
You're such a liar.
I'll seriously try my best, so.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye. Why not? Don't hit me with your beef stick. You excited?
Oops.
Shine it on me. There's an owl out here and he's pissed. I hope he... So funny. What up, blood?
I need my spider, my bear, my wolf.
Is that
my crossbow.
Is that the only way you feel protected?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I got a crab too, a boy.
I call your cooler to sit.
There's a bunch of stuff.
Johnny Lee just got here.
Missing a chair.
There's Lee.
Chair?
No.
Oh, still getting ready for our camp. Here's the little dogs. Bro! Number dogs from the 509. 509. Damn.
You know, somewhere Justin is saying that too. So.
Oh yeah, he definitely is. Sorry for the blinding light, but I wanted to capture you guys.
Do you think Justin's having a good time?
Oh, he's with his darling babe.
I bet
So he
a
is-
delightful time.
He is having an awesome time.
I just want to
Like
say,
around at night.
everyone's here are haters, and we have no tent.
They,
Yeah, we do.
No, they
We're
kicked us
fine.
out.
We're supposed.
Me and Tony.
Is it bad?
Me and Tony plan on drinking tonight.
I don't want to set it up.
We plan on drinking tonight and setting up tomorrow.
Oh,
We think it's smarter to set up in daylight.
okay.
But we got enough alcohol to last us all night and tomorrow night.
Well, thank God we're all 21.
Yeah, thank God.
Yeah, don't drink and drive.
Mac Miller, 509.
Look at all these haters.
509.
We taking over the world. All these haters.
All these haters getting mad because you're on that Donald Trump shit.
Ain't that some shit?
Oh, damn! Johnny, arms up, bruh.
That Joe shot was spot on.
Dude, I was watching. God dang, Josh, you're such a good fireman. Oh, so beautiful. 509. Hey. 509.
I do it by myself though.
Look at him. Ah! Look at him. Yeah! Yeah!
That's so pussy.
Oh, you guys got some sweatshirts. They're so cute.
Are you just smiling?
Yeah. Oh. 509.
You're not taking a picture. Why are you in my tent? No, it looks like mine.
509.
Yeah. My mom bought it. It's a $4 guaranteed.
Yeah. Good night, guys. It's the end of night one. Pretty tired. Not that drunk anymore, but that's okay because I wasn't really that drunk. Just had a lot of Jello shots. No beer because beer's gross and I hate it. So, good night.
Look who I found. Here's one. It slept outside by the campfire. It's weird. Here's another one. They look like little egg pods. When are they gonna hatch, I wonder?
Like Godzilla's?
I bet CJ's in this way. It's moving. It's moving. That's so funny. I was like, they look like little things. I didn't know they were really humans.
Hey, Mac.
Those are the tiniest, like, bags of chips.
What? Cold morning here at the
Tony, how
campsite.
bad of a headache you have?
Gonna make some breakfast. Josh.
What are you making today?
Hot dogs.
Yes.
Right
Hot
there.
pockets.
Oh, Frank. Oh. Oh yeah, there's like 3 spiders in our tent too.
Oh, it's so hard to fucking keep the fire going last night.
Yeah.
That was the hardest thing.
Yeah, it's about 9 o'clock right now, and it's kind of crappy out. It's all cloudy and it's raining just a little bit, so kind of sucks. It's okay. It's not that bad. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! That's so scary. I was sitting on this chair. Oh my god.
Hey.
Anyone?
I fucking picked him up on a little piece of cardboard.
What? I thought you threw it away, Josh.
No, I threw him over
Let's touch his bum bum.
Josh, no.
Get rid of it.
I'll just let him crawl on my. He can't crawl in this stuff.
We need...
Damn it, he's coming back.
Dude, he will be back.
I just woke up again. 12 o'clock. And I'm so cold.
I found Tony. Howdy. Hey, Bounds. You can sleep in my bed if you want. He looks like a scarecrow.
It's like, oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh! Ah! My man right there doing damage.
Oh, that's a good
Oh,
one.
damn, Phil.
Hey, you got it!
That's a good one. Oh, nice.
Nice.
I hope you're gonna do what I'm thinking you're gonna do.
Yes.
Wait, hey, do the belly dance.
Your hair is so nice.
It's because I have too much beer in me.
Oh. Okay, it counts.
Oh shit, where'd that go?
Play fucking. Look at them.
Tony, you want to do it?
Oh, thanks. Oh, woo. Hey, Teddy. We're gonna play real life drift ball.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
We are stellar.
Yeah.
Power shot.
Oh, okay, just throw it my way.
Is someone puke over here? I think that's nothing. Yeah, Tony, I heard some trees back there talking shit.
Really?
Yeah. And you know what? No one's fucking with me today.
No.
Fuck him up.
I'm sick of this.
This is a
Go
perfect
fuck him up.
slingshot.
Johnny, grab
It
your
is.
grab your axe. I'm about to fuck up a bitch. Waste removal. Oh.
You ain't talking shit much, no, motherfucker. About to be fucked up. Yeah. Yeah, Lee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.